Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Ipsy, and I believe this is my Glam Bag Plus. So I love Ipsy and I decided to upgrade. So it is $25 a month for the Plus. I already have the $12 subscription for the Glam Bag. So let's get in and see what we got. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm Bethany, also one busy mama. And this is my first Glam Bag Plus for August. So I'm just pulling stuff out. And we have a cute new bag. They used to send everything in like the regular box for the Plus, but I like this type of bag because you can put a lot of stuff in here. So there's a card. I doubt it has anything. Nope. This is build your perfect bag. The date is 9/1 to 9/3. Save the date. The future is yours. So it's kind of holographic. But there's no items listed on there, so we'll just go with what we know. Alright, so the first thing, which I was kind of like, blonde moment, I guess. Everybody was like, oh, the Bailey Sarian palette, I need to get that, I need to get that. I know Chelsea mentioned it, Sherry mentioned it, and I was like, what are you guys talking about? I just picked a palette, I didn't even know what it was. So, it's right here. The Bailey Sarian palette. It's Venice Fling with Estate. So she did a collaboration with Estate. She said she used to work at Ipsy and met Estate Cosmetics and decided to do a collaboration. So these are the colors. Super pretty. And the palette has a meaning. So I'll be doing a look with this, but this was awesome to have as like my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I probably don't need to keep saying that, but a palette, who doesn't want a palette? And it has a mirror and this bag. I will use this bag. I'm not hating on the bag. So in this new thing that Ipsy is doing, you get to pick 3 products. I picked this Complex Culture brush. This is another Ipsy collaboration. This is the powder brush. Look at how fluffy and dense that is. This is amazing. Like, it feels like a bunny tail, but it's not, okay? So it's the Plush Powder, and that is awesome. So I already have 2 things that I love, and it came in a box. So more goodies in the bag. Let's keep going. The Murad Hydration Perfect Day Cream, Broad Spectrum 30 SPF. Murad is awesome. This is the step 3 in the Moisture and Protect line. Hydration looks good on you. I do have the Murad face cleanser, and I love it. So this is 50 mLs, and it looks amazing. Very lightly scented, which is good for your skin. You don't want to put perfumes and chemicals and all that. And it has SPF. So this I will definitely use. Next, oh, the Beauty for Real. The High Def Volumizing Mascara. Because I had ordered this on an Ipsy a while back. I think it was May. Yeah, I think it was May or June. You could check one of the videos. And I lost it. I think I accidentally threw it out. So I don't want to open it, but it has the tiniest little wand. So this is a win. I wish I didn't have to reorder it. But it's 9 mLs. It lasts for 6 months. It is cruelty free. Next, it is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte. Look at this package. This is super cool. This is like a raised lip, and let's see what the color is. Oh, right here, Game Changer is the color. I like those kinds of colors. I'm not going to open it, but it is 3.6 mLs of product. Never had a Huda lip. Never had a Huda lip. And I got another brush. Oh, this is nice. I swear I asked for this one last month, but that's okay. Oh, because I redeemed points. Yes, this is my points brush. Alright. So you can redeem points, like if you sign up for Ipsy and I get points, or if I do my review for the month I get points. So this is the All Over Shadow brush, another complex culture. I like this. I will be using that. Who doesn't want a brush? Here's another brush I probably added on. Ooh, look at this one. It is I think this is LaRousse or LaRouque. Can you guys see that? That's the brand. This is a brush here. It's the LR112 blending brush. Very nice. And one more brush. I'm obsessed. This is MOTD. Okay. That's the brush. It is the Pigment Packer. Nice. Another great brush for using densely packing colors. So let's review on the Plus. Bailey Sarian Estate palette. Super nice. We got the Complex Culture brush. We got the Murad Hydration SPF cream. The Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. That's 4. We got the Huda Beauty Demi Matte. That's 5. And those are the 5 products that you get, and they're all full size. And the add-ons that I did were these 3 brushes, which I redeemed the Complex Culture brush with points, and I probably added these on. So overall, I like this Plus. And I like that you get to choose 3 products, whereas BoxyCharm, you only get to pick 1, and you're not even guaranteed that. This, I got an email like right after I made my selection. So, will I keep the Plus? I'll have to see what they're offering for next month, but I almost think it's nicer. I like the feel of this. So let me know what you guys think about this bag down below. If you've stayed to the end, let me know what you think about the bag, and let me know if you also have the Plus, and did you get the palette. Thanks guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe.